we are going to see the experiment of open circuit and load characteristics of DC series generator. Here the aim of this experiment is to doing this experiment to find the critical resistance value. These are the apparatus required and this is the circuit diagram. Here the series generator is identified by using the series winding, and the series generator is a switch on by using this motor only. This motor is connected with a 3-point starter, and here also the field rheostat is used to maintain the field current, and also by varying this rheostat only we are going to maintain the rated speed of this motor. By varying this rheostat after setting the rated speed, we are going to give the load connection. When for each and every load we are going to on, and we have to maintain the rated voltage by using this rheostat, and by continuing this procedure until the rated current is set. Now we can see the experiment connections. Here we are giving the supply, and we are using 3-point starter here, and this is the motor side field winding and armature winding. This is the generator side armature winding and series field winding. This is the rheostat for a motor, and this is the load which are connected with that of the generator. Now we can see the running condition of this generator. We are giving the supply, and by using this starter we are starting the motor, and now by using tachometer we are going to see the speed of this motor. This motor speed is 1436 rpm, and now by varying this rheostat we are going to set the rated speed. Now we have set the rated speed of this motor by using this rheostat. We can see the current of the generator, which is in zero condition because we haven't on any load here. By switching on this load, varying this load condition, we can see the variations in the current, and for each and every voltage variation, load variations, we have to maintain the rated voltage, rated RPM by setting using this rheostat. And for next load we are going to on. Now we can see the current across it, and we have to check whether it maintains the rated RPM. Thus we can complete the experiment by note down this voltage readings, this current reading, as well as the speed readings. Thank you. We have to make a note of one thing. We have to switch off this motor as well as the generator after making all these conditions to initial conditions. That is, first we are going to make this load to off conditions, and we have to verify whether this load is getting off, and we have to reduce this rheostat to the initial position, and now only we have to off this motor. Thank you.